Alright, so in this video I'm taking a look at the info system on infotainment, as they call it, on the 2018 Traverse. So in order to get the Android Auto, you actually have to be connected to an Android phone. Alright, that's the only way to get Android Auto. So now I just connected my Android phone to the USB, and it tells me, okay, get started. Alright, now the phone also has to be connected to a network, and you have to download Android Auto on it. Alright, so I'm going to continue, accept. Alright, so now it's gonna go in there and download the different apps, Android Auto, Google Maps, and so on, and only then you'll be able to actually run it on the infotainment on your screen in the vehicle in here. So I found that to be, there's the option they have now in 2018 in some vehicles. You can't run it by itself. That kind of sucks, but at the same time, it's nice to have. If this is something that you like to have. This is good for Android Auto or Apple Play, and I'm not doing I'm not looking at the Apple Play because right now I don't have an iPad or iPhone with me. But so I'm only going to take a look at the Android Auto for now. Alright, so we're downloading Android Auto. There we go. Continue, allow, give it all the permission it needs. Alright, so over here it's going to ask me, just allow the thing to run. Okay, alright, just a second. Okay, I don't know what's on my screen, but there we go. Alright, so we got Android Auto on the phone. Android Auto. No, skip. Alright, so here we go. Now this is very nice to have the Google Assistant that you can actually talk. Alright, got it. Okay, so 12 minutes from home. Alright, as long as you don't show my address. Okay, so we're good. Now that we're running it on Android Auto, it's also running it on the car, on the vehicle. Alright, now another thing that you can do with this, so this is Android Auto, it's very nice. I'm not going to sit here and introduce this. You got your music, you got your directions, your Google Maps. It's nice to have Google Maps with traffic and everything. It looks nice. I don't know, I really like the the way it looks and everything. If you prefer, this is nice to have. Music is nice to have all the, you can have different apps on here to use. But there's one more thing I want to show, and that is the shop for this infotainment. It actually has a shop where you can download apps with it. Okay, now in order to do that, your phone has to be connected. All right, your phone has to be connected to the internet. You have to be connected to the car, and only then you can actually download apps on here. All right, I'm not going to enter my info here, but again, if your phone is not connected, it's not going to work. All right, you can also connect it through the Wi-Fi directly to the car, and once you do that, you can actually get let's see, you can actually get a couple of radio apps. I didn't find them to be that good, but it's really up to you if this is something you like. Let me see. Let's go back on here. It doesn't say which apps you can get, but you can get a few different radio apps on here. Are they any better than XM and what you got already? No, I don't think so. But if you're looking to get a couple of extra apps on here, you can get the Weather Channel on there, and it works. Once you connect it, I don't really have the time right now to do it, but once you connect it to your phone, you can actually download the Weather Channel, and it looks normal. If you just want to get the weather, I mean, even though you already got it on here, if you really want to have a Weather Channel on your car, you can download it. And this is how you're going to download it. You're going to go to the shop, you're going to connect your phone to your vehicle, make sure your phone connected to the network, and then you're going to download their app store, which would only give you like 5 or 6 apps, and that's it. Okay, you can have these extra apps on here, and once you install them, then they start showing in here. All right, you're going to have a few Weather Channel and a few extra apps on here. I didn't prefer it myself. I installed it in the vehicle I had last week. The 2018 Traverse that I had was more of a stock. It wasn't my favorite, but look, you already got weather on here. It's not like you really need it. Oh, looks like I tagged myself right there, you know, with the working, but I didn't even notice that till now. Anyways, so yeah, this is, you already got weather, you know what I mean? Why would you do that, you know? But if you really want the extra radio apps, that's how you do it. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe and like, please, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.